Good morning, students. In previous class up to example 3 we discussed it. So now example 4. Radhika deals with second-hand goods. Second-hand goods. She bought a second-hand refrigerator for rupees 5,000. She spends rupees 100 on transportation and rupees 500 on its repair. She sells it for rupees 7,000. Okay, find total cost of the refrigerator, and second one, profit or loss percent. Profit or loss percentage. So we have to find out this one. Solution. Total cost price of refrigerator, that is 5,000, transport 100, repairs 500. All you have to add together and you will get rupees 5,600. This is cost price. Selling price already given 7,000. Total cost price 5,600, selling price 7,000. Profit or loss, here profit only, because SP is more than CP, no? So CP minus SP, 7,000 minus 5,600, that is 1,000 rupees, 1,400. So that is profit. Now profit percentage, what is the formula? Profit by CP into 100. Profit 1,400 and total cost price is 5,600 into 100. Zeros cancel. 14 fours, 425, 25%. So first question, total cost of the refrigerator is 5,600. Profit percent is 25%. Like that you have to do this problem. Now we'll see the example 5. Example 5. Example 5. Vinay bought a flat for rupees 4,50,000. He spent rupees 10,000 on its painting and repairs. Then he sold it for rupees 4,25,500. Find his gain or loss and also its percentage. So here, first of all, solution. Total cost price is 4,50,000, for painting 10,000, total 4 lakhs rupees, 4,60,000. This is the total cost price. Selling price. Selling price is 4,25,500. Which is more, cost price or selling price? Here cost price is more. That means you got loss. So loss equal to CP minus SP. 4,60,000 minus 4,25,500. So how much you are getting? 500. 9 minus 5, 4. 3. So 34,500 is the loss. Loss percentage formula, loss by CP into 100. That is 34,500 by CP. CP how much? Cost price 4,60,000 into 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. These 2 zeros, 2 zeros cancel. 345 by 46. Which table will it will go? I think 2 table. No table it will go, I think. So directly you can divide 46 divide 345 divided with 46. So 46 8 jar. It will be more. 46 7 jar. 322. 3 2. So here you can keep 0.0. 46 5. So exactly 7.5%. So what is the loss percent? 7.5%. So like that you have to do this example 5. And now example 6. Example 6. Example 6. So I will read the question, just you can go through the textbook. I will read the question. It is a very big question. Venkanna purchased 50 dozens bananas for rupees 1250. He incurred transportation charges rupees 250. He could not sell 5 dozen bananas as they were spoiled. He sold remaining bananas rupees 35 for each dozen. Okay. Will he get a profit or loss? We have to find out. So here solution, totally how many dozens bananas are there? 50 dozen, but he sold 35 dozens and 15 dozen, remaining 15, how many, 5 dozens are spoiled, only 45 dozen bananas he sold. So total cost price is equal to rupees 1,250 bananas cost and transportation rupees 250, total 1,500. Okay. Selling price of the bananas. So each dozen he sell for rupees 35. Total 50 dozens, 5 dozens are spoiled. How many dozens are remained? 45 dozens. So 45 into 35. 5751. So rupees 1,575. So selling price you are getting 1,575. So which is more, selling price or cost price? Selling price is more. So here he got a profit. Profit equal to SP minus CP. 1575 minus 1500 rupees 75. So 75 rupees is profit. So profit percentage, profit by CP into 100. 75 by total cost price 1500 into 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 15 5s are 75. So total profit percent is 5%. Okay. Now you'll see the example 7. Example 7. Malik sells 2 tables for rupees 3000 each. He gains 20% on one table and on the other he loses 20%. Find gain or loss percent on the whole. Okay. So Malik sells 2 tables each for rupees 3000. Okay. He gains 20% on one table and on the other he loses 20%. So SP of first table is rupees 3000 and first table he got gain 20%. When SP and gain are given, if you want to find CP of first table, you want formula is 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP. This is the formula. So we can write 100 by 100 plus 20, 120 into SP 3000, 0, 0 cancel, 12 2s are 12 5s are. So 100 into 25, 2500. So this is cost of first table. Next, SP of second table, that is also 3000, but for this second table he loss percent is also 20. So CP of second table, same formula, 100 by 100 minus loss percent into SP. 100 by 100 minus 20, 80 into 3000. 0, 0 cancel, 8. 8 3s are 24, 6 0, 8 7s are 56, 8 5s are. That is rupees 3750. This is the cost of second table. So CP of 2 tables. First table cost price is 2500. Second table cost price is 3750. That is 6250. Total CP of 2 tables is 6250. SP of 2 tables is 3000 plus 3000, rupees 6000. So which is more, SP or CP? CP is more. So here loss on 2 tables. So loss equal to CP minus SP. 6250 minus 6000, rupees 250. This is a loss on whole. So loss percent, loss by CP into 100. Loss 250, total CP is 6250 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. 25 table, 25 4s, 25 25s. 25 25 cancel. 4%. So he losses 4% on total 2 tables. Okay, overall loss is 4%. So like that you have to do this one. So from this, these example sums are over. So tomorrow on the next class, so from this the example sums are over. In next class we will discuss exercise 5.2. Okay students, thank you.